There are desserts that feel like a warm hug. Rice kheer is exactly that. It is the ultimate Indian comfort food. Let's get started. Start with 1 cup of fragrant basmati rice. Wash it well, soak it for 20 minutes, and then grind the rice to make fine paste. Fry some chopped almonds and pistachios in 1 tablespoon of pure ghee until golden. Next, pour 1 liter of full cream milk into the fried nuts. Add 1 cup sugar. Add 1 teaspoon cardamom powder. Now add the rice paste prepared earlier. Keep stirring until the milk boils. The milk should not accumulate at the bottom of the pan. Cook for 15 minutes until you get rubbery-like texture. Look at that royal texture. Serve it warm or completely chilled. If you loved this quick guide, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, and happy cooking. See you in my next video.